Hey everyone, it's Sam from EnglishForStudy.com, and today we're going to be talking about a word, a bit of an interesting word, scratch. So, as I said before the intro, we're going to be looking at the word scratch through story. Now, I've got several different meanings of scratch to teach you, so I want you to listen carefully to this story and see if you can pick up the meaning of all of them. Okay, here goes. Setting the scene. I enter a shop. I was in this shop a few days ago, and I've gone back to the shop because I want to return something I bought. Hi, I was in here the other day. I bought a pizza making kit. Now, I bought it because I really love homemade pizza, but I don't have the time to make it from scratch every time I want it. So I bought the pizza making kit, and when I got it home and I opened the box and I scratched off the coupon code to download the recipe from online, and I just thought, wow, this is not up to scratch. What I saw when I downloaded the recipe was you took something extremely simple as the art of making good pizza and you said, scratch that, let's make the most complicated pizza of all time. As soon as I looked at the recipe, I knew we'd just scratched the surface of what all the problems were with this pizza making kit. First of all, you still have to start from scratch. There is nothing pre-prepared inside the box. All of the dough and everything I have to create myself. And then the recipe is really just not up to scratch. You don't tell me what to do, you just say, think about it. What would you like on the pizza? So I'm sorry. I was looking for something extremely simple, but you couldn't deliver, and I'd like my money back, please. Thank you. Okay, did you get that? In that story, we looked at a few different ways to use scratch. We had start from scratch. Start from scratch means to basically start from the beginning. I don't have time to cook pizza from scratch. I don't have time to cook pizza from the beginning. We also had it's not up to scratch. If something's not up to scratch, we mean it's not satisfactory. It's not up to the level that we think is okay. We also had scratch off. And scratch off is when you use a coin or something and scratch away. You might scratch the paint with your nails. You might have a lottery ticket and scratch the numbers away with a coin. We also had scratch the surface. And scratch the surface means to scratch the top layer, to just scratch the top. But it means that there's more underneath. I said, oh, we've only just scratched the surface of the problems. It means that the problems I've talked about are just the first few problems. There are many more problems that I need to talk about. We also had scratch out. And scratch out means to take a pen and to draw a line through something, or delete it. So I said, it's like you wrote down, let's include pizza dough, and then scratched it out, deleted it. And we also had scratch that. Scratch that basically means forget it. Here's an example. Do you want to go for dinner on Friday? Oh, actually, scratch that. I have to work late on Friday. Let's go for dinner on Saturday. Are you free? Okay, there we've got, I think, 6 different ways to use scratch, all packaged in a nice, tidy story. So pull it apart, practice the examples, and use Scratch in your vocabulary. I'm Sam from English for Study. Leave a like, subscribe if you've not subscribed yet, and share this video. And I also want to see you getting involved. Leave a comment below using one of the different ways to use Scratch in a sentence. So pick one of the 6 ways that we covered and use it in a sentence. Alright, that's it from me. I'm out. Bye bye.